In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund on Cnfans. So the first thing you want to do is go to their website, which is cnfans.com, and then from here, you want to log into your account and then click on your account at the top right, and then from here, you want to click My Order. So you want to click on it. I don't have any orders right now. However, if you have orders, you'll be able to see them, and then you want to press Paid over here, so you can see your paid orders you can get the refund for. And then if you want to do a refund, what you have to do is click over here on the right where you can see this headphones button to contact support. And when you click on it, you'll get this prompt from a bot they have. So you want to just click essentially orders in here. And then from here, it will ask you a bunch of questions. And if you don't see kind of this thing you want to click, so if you don't see anything regarding refunds, you just type in I would like to get a refund, okay? And then you send this, and then over here what you have to do is just simply type in your name. So for me, I'm going to do instant how to, and then there's my email, and you want to press send. And then once you do this, as you can see, essentially they will know who they're chatting with, and they'll be able to message you back. And then over here it will say please select the content you would like to consult below, and then over here you want to click I want to return the item. And then from here, they will give you all the detailed instructions, okay? And if you want anything else, so regarding this, as you can see over here, they will give you the screenshots. So you want to click on the first screenshots, and you'll see that when you click orders, and then you want to click over here where it says return/exchange, and then after this, you want to click contact over here and contact the seller essentially, and then via that, you'll be able to get a refund. And if you click down here where it says returns and refunds, what you can also do from this website, if I translate it to English, as you can see, you can read all about their 5-day return or exchange guarantee. So you can read all about it and see what it's all about, and then chat with the seller, contact them, and you will be able to get a refund for the items you have purchased on Cnfans. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.